Hi, how are you? So today I have a new project to install the new EV charger.
Today we will be installing Tesla wall connector. This is a good GE panel. You can see our task around. So here the panel breakers. Open the box inside. We always find the screws and some documentation. Make the hole with a long drill, and we know in other side where's the going our conduit through the wall. Right here. After that we make the hole. We bending 90 degree. The client wanted to install the EV charger on the outside wall near the garage. Everything is connected.
Yeah, everything closed around.
I did the bonding with EMT Conduit. In other side I use a plastic bushing. Run the cable through the conduit. Patched around everything. Tighten with a Turkey screwdriver. Set to 50 lb/inch. It always free click to confirm prepared Turkey. Securing the cable in the place. Now I connect the ground wiring in the base bar ground. Okay, let's start first time. We can see the green lights. Yeah, it's work. I like the result. Next time when I come to pass inspection, I buy the cup.
If you install the EV charger, you can call me.
Not a job, but a dream.